Next question, question 46. Raj has 10 pairs of red, 9 pairs of white, and 8 pairs of black shoes in a box. If he randomly picks shoes one by one without replacement from the box to get a red pair of shoes to wear, what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? So again, we'll write down what is given. He has 10 pairs of red shoes. 9 pairs of, so 10 pairs means total 20 red shoes. 9 pairs of white, that means 18 white shoes, and 8 pairs of black shoes, 8 pairs, that is 16 black shoes. Now we are Raj is picking up shoes one by one randomly, so we have to think about the worst case scenario and see in that scenario what is the minimum number he has to pick to get one pair of red shoes. So let's assume when he starts to pick up, he gets the white shoes as first, which he doesn't want. That makes it a worst case scenario. So he picks up all the 18 white shoes as first. That is the worst case scenario that can happen in a random event. So then when he hopes to get a red shoes, he start getting black shoes, and all the shoes he picks, 16 shoes of black he gets. This combination can happen in either way. First he get white, then black, then white, then black, then white, then black. It doesn't change. It is a worst case scenario. After picking 18 plus 15 shoes, he doesn't get not even one red shoe. That is a worst case scenario. Now all the white and black shoes are exhausted. Now the next shoe he picks has to be red. Since he wants 2 shoes to be a pair, he needs to pick up 2 shoes to get one red pair. So this is the minimum number he has to pick to ensure that when picking up randomly, this will ensure at least one pair of red shoe. So what is this number? 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 36. So 36 is the number of shoes he must attempts. So what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? Is the worst case scenario, is the minimum number in the worst case scenario. Maximum number of attempts he has to make is the minimum number in the worst case scenario. So question 46, solution is B36. Solution to question 46 is B36.